Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's St. Mary's Primary from St. Catherine up against Irwin Primary from St. James. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and St. Mary's Primary won and decided to send Irwin Primary first. This section will see teams being asked questions alternately, and they will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and of course this section lasts for 4 minutes, so at that time on the clock we begin with Irwin. Bible knowledge. In the Bible, who wrote the book of Psalms?
Peter.
Incorrect. David. St. Mary's. Bible knowledge. In the Bible, who wrote the book of Revelation?
John.
Correct. Science. Irwin, from where do plant roots usually take in nutrients and water?
The root.
Root years.
Incorrect. Soil. St. Mary's. Science. What do plants use water, air, and sunlight to make for themselves?
Food.
That's correct. Irwin. Jamaican affairs. In which county is the parish capital of Lucy?
Cornwall.
Correct. St. Mary's. Jamaican affairs. In which county is the parish capital of Morant Bay?
Surrey.
Correct. Irwin. English language. Which tense is used in the following sentence? Her grandmother will arrive tomorrow.
Future
tense.
Correct. St. Mary's. English language. Which tense is used in the following sentence? The girl is going to school.
Future tense.
Incorrect. Present continuous. Irwin. Television. Complete the name of this children's program. Sesame.
Street.
Correct. St. Mary's. Television. What color is Big Bird in the children's program Sesame Street?
Yellow.
Correct. General knowledge. Irwin. In which country are the cities of Glasgow, Edinburgh, and Dundee? Your time has passed. Would you like to try St. Mary's?
No fun. Thank you.
It's Scotland. It's now time for your question, St. Mary's. General knowledge. In which country are the cities of Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro?
Brazil.
Correct. Irwin. Social studies. How much degrees marks the location of the equator on Earth?
0 degrees.
Correct. St. Mary's. Social studies. What is the main line of longitude?
Prime meridian.
Or Greenwich Meridian. That's correct. Irwin. Music. To which family of instruments does the xylophone belong?
Percussion.
That's correct. St. Mary's. Music. To which family of instruments does the flute belong?
Wind instrument.
Judges? That answer is incomplete. What we're looking for is woodwind. Irwin. Mathematics. What is the square root of 36 multiplied by the square root of 9? Your time has passed. Would you like to try St. Mary's?
No fun. Thank you.
The answer is 18. St. Mary's, your math question. What is 5 squared multiplied by 2 squared? Your time has passed. Would you like to try, Irwin?
Yes, please.
Go ahead.
100.
That's correct. Irwin, sports. Hayley Matthews is a Caribbean woman who excels in which sport?
Tennis.
Incorrect. Cricket. St. Mary's. Sports. Julian Alfred is a Caribbean woman who excels in which sport?
Cricket.
Incorrect, track and field. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Mary's Primary on 6 and Irwin Primary also on 6, so it's a tie. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after these messages.